Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to build a Java tool that will convert all your PDF pages into subsequent images. First of all, let me tell you that this segment will be based on a library from Apache called as PDFBox, and it has dependencies of FontBox, which is also another Apache library, and then the third library that we are going to need for this project is a commons logging library. So I think let's get started. In this video we are going to use the library version 1.8 of the PDFBox. So we'll start by adding the library. As I mentioned earlier, we need 3 libraries, so I'll be adding all of them. So first library that we are going to use is the FontBox, because PDFBox uses this library to render the document properly, where I think fonts mentioned in the PDF which are not in existent or something like that. So we have added our first library. Then the second library that we are going to add is commons logging library, which is this one. And the third and the most important library, which is the PDFBox itself. And I'm not going to use the latest version. I'm going to use the 1.8.15 version. So to start with, we need to declare the file name. So let's say that we have a file named pdf.pdf, let's say that, and then we'll create a PDFBox PD document. We'll use the non-sequential method, where I think we'll pass this file parameter. We are not going to pass any scratch file. It may throw IO exception as usual. And then we'll going to store all of the pages of this document to a list item. And we'll iterate through the document and get all the pages. So now we have all of our pages from the PDF. When from time to time we need to import all the dependencies into the project, and this will keep track of the page number that we are iterating right at any moment. So in this loop what we are going to do is just create a buffered image of all those pages, and before that we need to increment this variable so that each time we get the next page. Buffered image convert to image. And we need to pass the necessary argument to this, which is type int RGB. I think it is this one. The second parameter is the DPI, so we are going to do it at 300 dots per inches. And since we have this image of the page in this BIM or BIM variable, what we need to do is to save it. Here what we are doing is we are passing the image buffered image object, then the file name that we are interested in storing, the file name with which we are interested to store the image. So I'll set a pattern for it. I'll add the file name plus of this, and then we need to also add the extension to the file, and this is it. Now to test this we need to run this program, but before running the program we need to provide a PDF file to the proper path. So we'll provide this sample file, and let's run the program and see the result. These are some unnecessary warnings, and let's see if we are getting output as images. And as we can see that, oh sorry, we have made a mistake. Our images are getting overwritten, and there is a genuine reason for it. We also need to mention the page number so that each time file name is unique, so page number will make that thing happen. So we'll delete this PNG file and we will rerun this program. So files are being created. First page, initially we had this PDF file which contains this is the PDF and this is the image, and we'll click to the second page and we'll open the. So I think results are pretty good. I hope you have liked our video, and if you have liked our video, please like or please click on the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.